Welcome back to Autistic Owner. In this tutorial, we're expanding our Next.js Web Music Player by adding volume control and a seek bar. If you followed the previous tutorial, this will be a great addition to enhance functionality. Let's dive in. A better user experience means giving users more control over audio playback. With a volume slider, users can adjust loudness without touching system settings. A seek bar allows users to jump to different parts of the track, improving usability. Let's modify our audio player component to include volume control and a seek bar. Insert this code into the audio player components div after the play/pause button. The volume slider allows users to adjust the playback loudness without modifying system volume. It directly modifies the audio_ref.current.volume property. The slider's range is set from 0, mute, to 1, full volume, with a step size of 0.01 for finer control. When the user moves the slider, the volume state updates dynamically, ensuring smooth transitions. The seek bar allows users to move to different positions in the audio file without restarting the track. The range is set from 0 to 100, representing the percentage of the audio completed. As the audio plays, the on-time update event dynamically updates the progress bar. When the user clicks or drags the seek bar, we recalculate the current time based on the new percentage, ensuring smooth syncing functionality. We've successfully added volume control and a seek bar to our Next.js Music Player. These enhancements provide a much better user experience. The volume control allows smooth loudness adjustment, and the seek bar lets users jump to any part of the track. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments section. Let's keep learning and growing together.